Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your age on Vimeo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so we need to understand why Vimeo asks you to verify your age. So Vimeo has introduced age verification in certain regions like the UK and European regions to comply with local safety regulations. Now, if you're in one of these areas, you'll be required to verify your age when you log in or try to watch unrated or mature content. So now once you log in, you're going to see something that looks similar to this. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on begin verifying your account. So basically, Vimeo uses a third-party service like Persona to handle age checks securely. Depending on your region, you may see different options. Now, we can do an age estimation selfie. So select the selfie option when prompted. You'll be guided to take a selfie using your device's camera. Then basically follow the on-screen instructions. So face the camera, move as directed until completion. Now, you might be asked for a government-issued ID plus selfie. So choose the government ID option. You'll be prompted to photocopy your ID, your passport, driver's license, and then take a selfie. Make sure the documents are clear and readable. Now, after you submit your verification, once the process completes, Vimeo will confirm your age and let you continue watching videos and using your account. And also, if you have selected selfie photos and ID scans, these are deleted immediately after successful verification. Failed attempts are stored temporarily for appeals.